Lady Locks here with a Locksport service announcement. If you tuned into the last video in the series, we talked about overset pins, and we also touched on the fact that you can make it easier for yourself to locate the pins inside of your lock. Today I'm going to show you how to do that. If you're having trouble locating the pins inside of your lock, you can simply mark your pick. How do you do this? Well, you're going to need your pick, the set of keys to the lock, and a Sharpie. Basically, all you're going to do is lay your lock pick right alongside the key there, and you're going to line the tip of the pick up with each spot where there is bitting on the key. You're going to mark each spot with a Sharpie right at the shoulder of the key. Here is a fully marked pick. Now, once you've marked your pick, you can see that when you place it into the lock, every time you land on a pin, you can see your Sharpie mark right at the front of the lock. So this way you know exactly what pin you're on as you move through the lock with your pick. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and you may now continue with your regularly scheduled programming. Lady Locks out.